All right, so we have a question about how to find Q3, the 75th percentile. And the thing is you should be watching that video that was provided in this chapter, chapter two, or actually it's week 2 assignment um, that addresses how to use your calculator to find the one var stats, which gives you all the information you need for this problem. So if you're, let's see, one moment. If you are given the data values 3, 5, 6, 7, and 20, you'll want to enter this into your calculator. So you'll go to Stat, then go to Edit. So I have a different data set in here. So to clear a list, you go up and hit Clear, Enter, and it will clear the list. Don't hit Delete. It'll delete the list. You'll no longer have that list. So there's a way to restore the list, but anyways, you'll enter the data in 3, 5, 6, 7, and 20. So I got a question from a student that asked, well, how do I find the Q3 if which is the upper end of the IQR if you have a value like 7 and 20. And so anyways, the way to do that is add 7 and 20 together and divide by 2. But your calculator will do this for you. So you don't have to think about it. I mean, really, you just enter the data values in, and then you just let the calculator do it. So I've entered the 5 data values in, 3, 5, 6, 7, and 20. You go to your main screen, go to Stat, over to Calc, and then one var stats should be the first thing in the list. One var stats, and if you put your list in a different list besides L1 or L2, or besides L1, you'll want to enter that list in. My list is in L1, my 5 data values, so I don't have to enter anything in. It's by default L1. Hit enter. Now you'll get all the information you need. And that includes the mean, the sample standard deviation, 6.76 in this case. You'll be given the min, Q1. Q1 is the lower end of the IQR. You'll be given the median, 6, and then Q3, 13.5, which is the average of 7 and 20. 7 plus 20 is 27, divided by 2 is 13.5. So that's the mean of the 7 and 20, just those 2 data values. So that's how you find all the information for this question about problem 8 from the week 2 assignment. But that you want to use technology whenever possible. I mean, it's good to be able to do it by hand, but know how to do it with your calculator. It will save you time. You need to be able to use your calculator whenever possible. It's going to save you a lot of time later in the course because you're going to be doing a lot of complicated calculations by hand if you don't use your calculator. So, and your calculator can do it in a few clicks. So use your calculator whenever possible, and there should be tutorials on how to use your calculator. And if you have any concerns about that, let me know. I'll be more than happy to assist and point you in the right direction, show you how to do it. All right, let me know if you have any other concerns.